There was tension along Red Hills Road, St. Andrew, Friday after residents took to the streets to protest the police killing of a 20-year-old man from the community. Residents say the victim was innocently killed, but as Kalisha Williams reports, the police had a different story.
The Black Lives Matter movement may have started in the United States, but along Red Hills Road, St. Andrew today, this message. The chants got louder as the minutes went by. It all started here, the place where residents say 20-year-old Raheem Walker was killed by the police on Thursday.
Good youth in by rum, by everything is come shell on the community with rum. Good youth.
One by one, they gave an account of the ordeal.
Yesterday in our community bright and early, be a police from Kingston Spring running in our community.
Him father they over there work and him run past him father. Then fire the first shot in the ear and say a shootout. And when we hear the shot, everybody stand up on the police and start to shoot him. Not in the ear. So them shoot him, but the shot never catching him. Fire the shot in the ear and the boy run for him life.
Raheem Walker's father told us he was taken off his work and beaten by the police, who told him they were looking for a suspect in the area.
When I bring me back over here and the handcuff and things, then claim to say them are run down and I was the wrong individual they have. You understand? So they end up went back me here, then said they're searching for someone. Two tools. My son was the people said they have my son right there. Then hold him, search him. And when them search him, them release him.
However, that was the last time he saw his son alive.
They went round the corner, and said he had a shoot him and said he had a gun. So I'm wondering, how comes a person where you just search? Just search a man and tell him stand up here.
Them run him down and shoot him, kill him. He's an astronomy patient. He's an astronomy patient. He is very sick. We need justice. The youth do not know.
But according to the police corporate communications unit, Mr. Walker was killed during a shootout with the police around 11:56 Thursday morning. We were told that a .38 pistol with a 9mm cartridge was also taken from him.
We will be following the process. We will be giving necessary coverage in the area to also ensure public order, public safety, and to also restore normalcy in the lives of people across Jamaica.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.